Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the last Guess What's in the Box video. So please stick around and check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. And it's from Summit Racing. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so we're going to cut this box open. It is from Summit Racing Equipment. I love getting stuff from Summit Racing as well as Jags. They do have some stuff that's hard to find, even for older vehicles. This is box 1 of 2. The other 2 items are on back order. They're not available at the moment. These are polyurethane bushings that I picked up from Summit Racing. I like that they provide stickers. It's always nice to have extra stickers to put on the toolbox. If I end up getting enough stickers, I'll probably give them out as well. I noticed that Summit Racing as well as Acme Tools is doing these $100 wine vouchers. The problem I have with these wine vouchers is they're only good for 30 days. And I've got probably 20 of them or so. I kind of wish that they lasted longer than 30 days. Kind of wish that you could, just, if you had a crap ton of them, you can use them all. Or, if they would have been nice if they lasted, a year, 2 years, maybe even 5 years, or a lifetime, and all you had to do was just apply them on each order. You just couldn't apply them all at once. These are for the 4Runner. This is for 4Runner SB kit, 26mm. These are all red polyurethane bushings. And I always like that they provide you a receipt, an actual paper receipt. I don't know why it says end tone. I might have to contact them, see if they can fix that. It says Antonio Michael over here. But this is the exchange. So they give you the receipt, and then they give you a USPS tracking number if you need to return anything. It's always nice that they provide that to you on everything you buy. 2 of these items are not here. They always give you stickers. Maybe it's kind of deep. They're packaged very well. I got 2 of each. 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, and the other one I got 2 of. 1 of each of these is going on the truck, and then the other ones are going to be spares. And it is nice that they provide you Prothane super grease. These are end links. I'll be putting these on my end links. And this one is for the sway bar. Usually there is there's supposed to be no, these might not actually have it. Let me check. Oh no, these are not supposed to have those. Oops. This is Prothane brand. These 2 are Prothane brand. This one, this one and the one that I haven't received yet are both Energy Suspension brand. And Prothane, you can't go wrong with Prothane brand, and you can't go wrong with Energy Suspension. I'll show you guys what's in this one. This one right here comes with the tube of grease. Comes with the bracket as well as the sway bar bushing. These are for the rear. The first one I open's for the front. What's nice though is this one also comes with the hardware, the washers, and the bottoms as well. That's those guys. Put this guy back in here. And the one Energy Suspension set that I got this should be for the rack. Yep, rack and pinion. So here's the rack bushing. Comes with the information. It's exactly what my rack looks like. This bushing goes on this side. And then it comes with the hardware for the other two. So for an example, these little ones right here, slide this one onto this one and then slide this one on. That makes your bushing. They're very easy. That's what I love about these style bushings. And these, especially Energy Suspension. It's awesome that they give you these. And then you just slide this guy onto this one. Like that. Easy peasy. Does come with a washer. This looks like all grade 8 hardware. I do not believe these came with the grease. I could be wrong. No, it doesn't look like they came with the grease, but you can always get the grease separate. You should be able to get the grease in tubs, like axle grease, or you know, even wheel bearing grease. They come in tubs. They're very nice kits, very well made. So this one is going to go on the rack, and I'm going to just take what I put on the rack recently, you know, about less than a year ago, and just put it in this box, save it for later as an emergency thing. I'll put the instructions back in here. But just a quick video showing what I got. The other one is for the rear suspension parts, the track arm and everything like that. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me and checking out what I picked up from Summit Racing. I will leave these in the link below in the top of the description if you guys need anything for a 2000 Toyota 4Runner that has to do with these. Front and rear end links, the link to the rack and pinion bushing set, as well as I will leave a link to the one that isn't in the video at the moment, which should be for the rear track arm and rear track arms and a few other things on the rear. And if you guys know of any place, you know, Summit Racing or Jags or something that's got the red polyurethane bushings that has like a complete kit for 2000 4Runner, let me know. I will leave the links to anybody that's interested in 4Runner parts. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics and Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. As well as the top of the description, there will be a link to Also Tools. You guys go click on that link. A gentleman from Also Tools sent that custom link to me. If you guys want to click on it, it'll take you guys to Also Tools, give you 10% off of your order at Also Tools, and it helps me out, it kicks me back availability to have a 10% off my next order at Also Tools. And you don't lose anything. You know, they do have hand tools, they got torque wrenches. More than likely we'll be looking at a beam style torque, half-inch torque wrench coming from them probably soon. And I got the torque screwdriver sitting right there that I've been using, and a few other things. I love their organizational stuff, you know, socket rails, plier racks, all kinds of stuff. Go check them out, see if there's anything that interests you, and if something does, you get 10% off. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!